I want to highlight a function in ZBrush that I think is not used very often. I'm trying to give you a very practical workflow. This workflow integrates Polypaint into the process of making design decisions, all at the same time. It is important that these decisions have the minimum amount of friction. A common need in design is to check the character's black and white values. These values are the result of the proportions, shapes, and lightness of the colors. It means it's important to be in control of these factors. To avoid changing the Polypaint or having to leave ZBrush, the function called BPR filters is the best and fastest way to achieve this. First, just activate any filter channel, choose saturation on the list. Then set the saturation value to -100. Finally, press Shift-R to render. See, it was in your face this whole time and you never saw it, right? I know you didn't.